Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'll show you how to use DeepSeek AI on your Windows PC or laptop step by step. Whether you're using DeepSeek for writing, coding, studying, research, or everyday tasks, the process is simple and beginner-friendly. In this tutorial, you'll learn how to access DeepSeek, sign in, start a new chat, ask questions, and explore the main features available on the desktop version. So without further ado, let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser on your computer, such as Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, Firefox, or Opera. In the address bar, type DeepSeek.com and press Enter. When the website loads, click the Start Now button. If you're not already signed in, log in with your Google account or another available sign-in method. After signing in, you'll be taken to the main DeepSeek chat interface. To begin a conversation, click the New Chat button on the left side of the screen. Next, click inside the message box and type your question or prompt. Once you've finished typing, click the Send button or press Enter on your keyboard. DeepSeek will process your request and generate a response within a few seconds. Above the message box, you'll see several options such as Instant, Expert, and Vision. These modes let you choose how you want DeepSeek to respond or whether you want to work with images. You'll also find options like DeepThink for more detailed reasoning and search for retrieving up-to-date information from the web. If you want to start a completely different conversation, simply click New Chat again and enter a new prompt. As you can see, using DeepSeek on a PC is quick and straightforward. You can use it for writing, learning, coding, translating, summarizing, brainstorming ideas, and much more, all from your web browser. That's all for this tutorial. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more helpful AI tutorials. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.